everyone, and welcome to episode 3 of this short 5-video series about how to use Helium10 for product research. Now, in the last episode, I demonstrated to you how to analyse the product search result that we yielded from the product method using black box from Helium10. Now, in this episode, I'm going to take things a step further and show you a tool called Review Insights, and this will analyse our competitors' reviews and show us all the things they're doing right and all the mistakes they're making, so that we know what we need to copy and also what we need to avoid. So I'm going to dive into the laptop and I'll see you in there. Now, if you go to the top of your Chrome extension, and now we click here, scroll down, and now we press Review Insights. And now this has given us all of the product reviews for this listing that we pulled from Blackbox. And now we can go through and analyse all the things they're doing well and all the mistakes they're making. As you can see, you can sort by most helpful, most recent, but there's also these filters down here. So if I click this, you can do specific date ranges, only verified, only helpful, only with images, only with videos. Also, you can filter by 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars, and you can even filter reviews by each specific variation, which is each colour. But for now, we're going to just go for the overall view. But what I want to do, just to demonstrate the power of this tool, is just look at all the things they're doing wrong as a starting point. Now, normally, there would be an option here for 1 star. But as you can see here, by 1 star, this listing actually has 0 1-star reviews, which is very good. But don't let this scare you off, as they still have made mistakes in the 2-star and 3-star area. So because of this, we will actually just untick 3, 4 and 5, and we will now just look at the 2-star reviews. So I'll scroll down now and press Apply Filters. Okay, here we go. Small strap. So straight away, that's something that you could be changing. If people are complaining that the strap is too small, you can now buy a product from this competitor, and then you go to your potential supplier, buy a sample from them, and then you can compare the two, and you can ask the supplier to provide you with a bigger strap, and then this could already fix this problem. Now, obviously this is only the one complaint. These people have actually done very well, in fairness, but that still doesn't mean that you can't compete by simply doing 50 pockets or 40 pockets. This is only for example purposes to get you into the correct mindset of how you need to be analysing this information and data for any product search. So just spend some time playing with these various filters, checking out all the different 2 stars, 3 stars, 5 stars reviews, and it can be helpful as well to actually create a spreadsheet, put these pros and cons into a spreadsheet, and then you can weigh up all the things that you can fix and all the things that you can do that they've already done. Here at Freedom Pass, we want to help you become a success for as small of an upfront cost as possible. So we have partnered with Helium10, and if you click the link in the description, you can use the code FreedomPass10 for 10% off forever. Or if you use the code FreedomPass20, you can get 20% off for the first 6 months. Unlock the power of Helium10 at a fraction of the cost. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more information like this. So I'll see you in the next one.